Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to set the video compression on a GoPro. And in my case, I'm using the GoPro HERO9 Black. You might want to change the video compression if maybe your editing device or whatever is maybe older. So I'm going to show you how to set it to where it'll probably be compatible with the most devices. So the first thing you want to do after you power on your GoPro with the power on button is put your finger towards the top of the screen and swipe down. After you swipe down, you're going to swipe to that way, and you'll see preferences. Click preferences, and then go to general. And then once you're in general, scroll down, and you'll see it, video compression. So if you click on the word video compression, you've got two options. You've got HEVC, and you've also got H.264 plus HEVC. So this one that we've got selected, H.264 plus HEVC, is probably going to be compatible with the most devices. So, you know, unless you're using bleeding edge technology, you probably want to use this one instead of the first one, which is HEVC. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe. Ring that bell icon when you do to be notified when I post another video. And if you have any GoPro questions, just ask, and I'll try to post a video response. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.